Drink this cinnamon tea and get all the incredible benefits I'm going to share with you today. Okay, so if you're new to my channel and you love health tips, you want to lose weight effectively, or you just basically love natural remedies, you want to live a sickness-free life, please click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to know when I make my next video like this again. Okay, my name is Mary Matt. I'm a dietitian nutritionist, a health and wellness coach, and a healthy living ambassador. I'm also a natural practitioner, and I help health conscious individuals to live healthy, live a sickness-free life, and reverse back health issues with the food they eat. So if you need my service for anything nutrition, please use the link in the description below to speak to me today. Yes, cinnamon. Cinnamon has been used for over 4,000 good years in the world right now, like 4,000 years now. Okay, and what makes it even sweet is that it's been referenced in the Bible. You know, those times whenever anybody was sick or ill, they would pour on the person's head holy anointing oil, and the mixture of that holy anointing oil they were using then was a mixture of cinnamon, cassia, calamus, meal, and olive oil. Okay, and it's been shown to have great therapeutic benefits for human healing. I know another sweet thing about it is that cinnamon has been shown to have some kind of level of protective. It protects our body against several bacteria, against aging, and even help us to heal. Okay, help us to heal and protect our body against pathogens. Okay, so there are a lot of things about cinnamon, but I'm going to share with you outstanding and listed benefits that you will get from drinking cinnamon tea. I'm going to share with you the best recipe on how to make cinnamon tea so that your body can get all the benefits I'm going to list for you. All right, and I'm also going to share with you time to drink it, because there's your time to drink it and the best time to drink and time not to drink it. Okay, and how to make use of cinnamon. Cinnamon also contains some vitamins, minerals, and also some high level of compounds that helps our body to promote overall health. And I also mentioned that it also contains some antioxidants, some high level of antioxidants. That's amazing. That's why you can do so much. But today I'm going to share with you, like I say, some listed benefits. So number one, wait, before I mention the listed benefits and other recipes, wait, tell me in the comment section below, how do you love to take your cinnamon? Do you love cinnamon tea? Do you love it just sprinkling it on your food? Do you love it just chewing it the stick? How do you love your cinnamon? I would love to know in the comment section. Please share with me in the comment section below. One reason why you need to drink cinnamon tea is that it helps reduce the bad cholesterol in your body, increasing the good one while protecting your heart against heart disease. Two reasons why you need to take cinnamon tea is that it helps you to lower blood sugar. So if you're someone that is having blood sugar issue, then cinnamon tea should be your friend. But don't forget, I told you I'm going to share with you how to drink it, so stay put. Okay, so cinnamon tea should be your friend, because when you take cinnamon tea, it helps you to absorb, it helps your body to absorb glucose from the system, so it's lower than your blood sugar level and reduce the insulin sensitivity. All right, it's that simple. So drink cinnamon tea, reduce your blood sugar level. Three benefits of drinking cinnamon tea is that it helps in weight loss, thereby helping your body to store less fat, essentially by reducing the amount of insulin produced. But this has to be combined with other lifestyle, because you cannot just stick on just using cinnamon, because cinnamon cannot do it on its own. Cinnamon has to be supported by a lifestyle that help you to lose weight effectively without you gaining it back. And if you need help with weight loss, a healthy weight loss that you won't gain back, then you can use the link in the description below. Number 4 benefit of drinking cinnamon tea is that it helps your body to digest properly. Okay, so it helps in proper digestion. Okay, so if you are taking it in the right portion, not overdose. There are level of overdose for cinnamon, so I'm going to share that with you later. If you're taking the right portion, it helps your body to digest your food properly, and also have the ability to help your body arrange for enough absorption of nutrients. So if you're taking food, whatever healthy food you're taking, and your body cannot absorb the nutrients, then it's a waste. It's a waste of resources and a waste of time even eating the food. Number 5 benefit of drinking cinnamon tea is that it helps to improve mental alertness and function. Number 6, it helps to increase your colon function as well. 7 benefits of drinking cinnamon tea is that it helps reduce the proliferation of cancer cells and prevent cancer when combined with healthy lifestyle. And it also reduces the growth of lymphoma and leukemia cancerous cells. Okay, so now let's talk about the recipe we use in making this delicious and most beneficial tea that is going to benefit our health. But before I talk about the recipe, if you're yet to watch my video about the natural recipe for flawless skin using cinnamon, please immediately after this video do watch it, or use the link in the description below to watch the full video of how to use cinnamon and the recipes, natural recipes using cinnamon for flawless glowing skin. Alright, so I didn't put a lot of things about it here. So now the recipe on how to make cinnamon tea. Okay, wait, before I do that, let me talk about the time to use cinnamon tea and how to use it. Now for cinnamon tea, you can't just be drinking cinnamon tea anyhow. Now for cinnamon, you have to take at least 2 cinnamon, like 2 times in a day, not more than, because most cinnamon that is common and present nowadays are the cassia cinnamon, which has been shown to have some side effects when overused, not that like the Ceylon cinnamon. The Ceylon cinnamon has not been seen with any side effects, so the both of them should still be used with caution. Okay, so for your cinnamon tea, to get the best from it, it's best to take it first thing in the morning or last thing at night. So if you are using the powder, try and look for it to sprinkle it on your food during the course of the day or in your smoothie. Now for the recipe to make cinnamon, you need 1 stick of cinnamon, you need 1.5 cup of water, you need half lemon juice, and also a teaspoon of honey. To make this cinnamon, cook the cinnamon stick for 5 minutes. Turn up the heat and allow it to steep for the next 10 to 15 minutes before you add your lemon and your honey into it. Mix it well and have your delicious earth loaded benefit cinnamon ready. Okay, I hope this video has been of help to you. Please, if it has been, remember to share this video with your friends and family. Give this video a thumbs up, and also let me know how you use your cinnamon and what you think about a lot of health benefits that cinnamon contains in the comment section below. Share with your friend and family, and until next time I come your way again, my name is still Mary Matt and I talk health. Thank you.